Hello everyone and welcome back to our yet another video from AfriCareers. Today I have more great and exciting news for you, our job seekers. As per your screen, CFAO Mobility in partnership with Q Sourcing has announced various graduate trainee opportunities, and I'm here to take you through step by step to have your application successful. So make sure you stick around up to the end of this video as I walk you through the steps and procedures you need to successfully submit your application. This video is part of our initiative at AfriCareers to help you, our job seekers, in increasing your chances to getting successful at your job hunt, following the fact that most of you are less experienced at job application and thus you end up not succeeding in being shortlisted. This training is free of charge, and in return, I only request you to simply like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel using the link in the description down below. Why is that important? That's important because you'll never miss out on the latest job opportunities and career tips from our end. Of course, we have come to notice that most of you lack a lot of career guidance. You submit your applications wrongly. So these sessions really help you in knowing exactly what to do. Like today, I'm going to be taking you through the steps in the application process for this graduate trainee opportunity. I am your job navigator from AfriCareers as usual, and this video is proudly sponsored by Apex Tax and Accounting School, your trusted partner for professional training programs like CPA Uganda, CTA, which is the Certified Tax Advisor course. Apex is telling you that they have intakes every January, April, and July every year, and they would want you to enroll so that they can prepare you for the CPA and the CTA professional examinations. Their registration is online and easy, swift, seamless. If you register early, you receive a 10% discount. Examinations for CPA and CTA are usually done every May, August, and November of every year. So please contact them on the contacts on your screen. You can call them, you can WhatsApp them, or visit their offices at Calmax Building, Office Suite D13. Calmax Building is opposite YMCA Wandegea, Kampala. They also inform you that they have the tax practitioners course, which is a practical training. The new intake is on. You can train in income tax, value-added tax, customs, excise, IFRS, and the course comes with a certificate. Enroll by contacting them on the phone numbers or WhatsApp so that you can get more details about this course. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to use our post. We made a post regarding this opportunity at CFAO Mobility. And on behalf of their client, CFAO Mobility, Q Sourcing is looking for enthusiastic graduate trainees to join their dynamic team in Uganda. About the graduate trainee opportunity. Are you a recent graduate searching for your next big opportunity? Don't let doubt hold you back. Take that first step with confidence, and remember, every expert you see out there was once like you, a beginner. Keep learning, keep growing, and go for this opportunity. So as I introduced the post on behalf of their client, CFAO Mobility, QSourcing, which is the HR consultancy firm, is looking for enthusiastic graduate trainees to join their dynamic team in Uganda. This graduate training program is designed to unlock your potential, and you're going to go through a 24-month rotation in various areas of the business. That is CFAO Mobility. I'm going to be talking about the organization ahead, providing you with the hands-on experience and the skills needed for professional growth. So this is a very, very good opportunity for you because they are going to train you for 24 months. Those are approximately 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. You're going to be rotated around different around different departments in the organization. Who is CFAO Mobility? This is very, very important. Before you submit your application, as I've always told you, the first thing is to research and get information about the employer, about the person who has advertised the opportunity. So I have this all for you. CFAO Mobility is part of the CFAO Group, a major multinational company headquartered in France with a strong presence in Africa and the French overseas territories. So if you're taken on, you're going to have an opportunity to interact with staff working at an international organization. CFAO Group operates in various sectors, including mobility, healthcare, consumer goods, and infrastructure. CFAO Mobility specifically focuses on automotive and mobility sector, providing a wide range of services such as automobile distribution and retail. So they have cars, trucks, and motorcycles, vehicle leasing and fleet management. They do automotive services and after-sales support. They do spare parts and accessories distribution. And this company partners with a well-known global automotive brands like Toyota, Suzuki, Mercedes-Benz, Mitsubishi, and many others. So as you can see, they're into cars, making it a key player in the automotive industry across Africa. They are very, very powerful when it comes to that sector. Now, in Uganda, to be more specific, the company is known for providing reliable vehicle solutions, including sales, maintenance, and support to individuals, businesses, and government entities. So you should have this prior knowledge just in case you are invited for interview or interaction before they can enroll you onto the graduate trainee program. What we are looking for. What are they looking for? So according to our post, they are looking out for proactive, result-driven, and strong-minded individuals who possess great communication and problem-solving skills, planning abilities and leadership potential, a team player mindset with innovative ideas, passion for learning and adopting quickly. So it means that in your application and CV, you're going to include these as key strengths. Otherwise, you may not last. So make sure you capture these 4 major points because this is what they are looking for. But don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. Bring out the skills and competencies that you possess. Who can apply? Very good question. Who can apply? This opportunity is open to fresh university graduates aged 25 years or under, individuals with a minimum of a bachelor's degree in any discipline, those with 0 to 2 years maximum post-graduation experience, will be, of course, yeah, they are bringing in the issue of experience, but as I've always told you, do not be threatened by these kinds of requirements. As long as your heart tells you, maybe the age is key. But if I'm around if I'm around 28, I'm around, I can apply. Why not try my luck? It could be my day, it could be my luck, it could be my job. So do not be threatened, do not be chased away. Eh? Do not be threatened, do not run away because of these stringent requirements. But of course, ensure that you are in line to be on a safer side. So what are the required documents? In our post, we are saying that to apply, make sure you have the following ready. You have a curriculum vitae, the CV. You have a university transcripts or testimonials. USCE results, that's your senior 6. UCE results, that's your senior 4. Cover letter. The cover letter explaining why you believe CFAO Mobility Uganda is the right fit for you and how you will benefit from the program. Now, friends, at AfriCareers, we have a service, a professional CV service. If you're interested, use the WhatsApp number on your screen right now. Make a request for a CV. Let us give you a CV. Let us make for you. And our CVs come with a free cover letter. So specifically for this opportunity, don't take chances. Our CVs are only 30,000. By the time of making this video, our CVs are only 30,000. So why not invest 30,000 in just a CV? Why not invest? Nothing comes for free. So don't really submit a fake CV, yet you can get a CV at only 30,000. Now, use the contact information on your screen right now. Send us a WhatsApp. Let us make for you a CV and cover letter. Okay? Let us make for you a CV and cover letter specifically tailored to this opportunity. Deadline for application is 26th of March 2025. And of course, how to apply. Anyway, this is just a repetition, but ideally you're going to apply online. The application link is right here. You'll be required to upload these documents at application. So there is a link. You see this button, the blue one? You can click on this. I'm going to leave, if you're watching on our YouTube channel, I'm going to leave a link to the post, to this original post. You just click on the link, you come to the post and click right here or up here. Apply now. So when you click on this, you're going to be taken to the page that you're going to complete. Of course, they will be asking for your details, the names and all that. And then you submit, but make sure your CV is ready and the cover letter. Again, on the post, you'll be able to have access to our WhatsApp channel. You can click on this, you'll be taken to the WhatsApp channel so that you can subscribe and follow. And then if you want to look at any other more jobs at AfriCareers, you can explore the latest jobs that we have posted today just by clicking on this button here. You can get information about Apex Tax and Accounting School, our sponsors, the CPA course, the CTA course, the tax practitioners, self-paced courses. You'll also find a link that will take you to the accounting jobs, administrator jobs, driver jobs, all different categories of jobs, management jobs, graduate trainee jobs. We have so many we keep on posting on a daily basis. And of course, employers trust us for being in the field for a very long time. So please always check out our website. There are books that you'll find here. If you're an accountant, if you're into tax, if you need the interview pack, if you need the aptitude test kit, they are all here on the website, on the post that I'm going to share. So I want to wish you all the best. I wish you the very, very best. Please don't hesitate if you need any support from us. If you need any support from us, please don't hesitate. Come through, send us WhatsApp. We shall be able to guide you further. Until our next video, I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.